Hey guys, welcome back once again. So today we're going to be feeding the ducks and the seagulls. So let's go. Let's go. Hey duck. I'm going to feed the ducks. Come on ducks. Come on. Come on. Oi. I'm gonna feed them over here. We'll go for it. And these goes the seagulls, which are the red-billed gulls, which are from New Zealand. Yeah, there's a little peepy one going, feed me. Oh, there's some grumpy ones. Yeah, there's the ducks over there. I'm gonna try and feed them again with my hand. Yes. Great. Now they're all going for it. Wait. Beep, beep, beep. Let's see if any seagulls get angry. Oh, one's getting pissed off. Oh, one's getting mad again. Oh. Noises. Sounds like R2-D2 having a seizure. Look at all the seagulls. Crazy bastard. Oats. Let's do this again. That one's... Look at that one. That one's mad. You're all so grumpy. What are you doing? You're still doing it. What's going on? You know what? Screw you guys. I'm going to feed the ducks again. See if we can feed the ducks, but not the seagulls, because the seagulls are freaked up. Oh, there goes one. There goes one going for it. Little pee-pee. Beep, beep, beep. There's one seagull, this one. Beep, beep, beep. Oh. Look at them all having a fight. What is their problem? Alright, bye guys.